Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY emergency teen kit for school. In the past I did a video like this and it seemed to be a hit. You guys, a lot of you guys loved it. I still to this day get tons and tons of comments from young girls that say thank you for making that video and everything. So now the difference with this teen bag is most of these items are going to be from the Dollar Tree. So this is going to be a budget bag teen kit that you can put together yourself. The only thing is that this bag right here, I wanted to show you where I got this from. It's a large pencil pouch and it was only $3, and it's my daughter's little black bag for her kit, and it came from Walmart, and it's a silicone bag. So if you don't know where to get a little bag from, you can use a pencil pouch. It doesn't have to be like a cosmetic bag. This is just a pencil pouch, and it was $3 like I said, and it fits everything that she needs. So I'm gonna go through here and show you guys what I put in this one. The other one that I made a year or two ago, I think I'll have it linked at the end of this video if you want to see that. But yeah, so let me show you what I put in here. And like I said, everything came from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing I put in here for her is this came in a set from Dollar Tree, and it's just a little toothbrush and toothpaste. Now this was one of the items in my other kit that I got so many comments about. Our kids saying, I don't want to brush my teeth at school, but honey, my daughter will brush her teeth at school in the bathroom sink, like when she's in gym, and or you know, after lunch or whatever, and it's not weird. I think a lot of kids were like, that's kind of weird. It's not weird, honey, to take care of your teeth, especially if you eat something that's kind of yucky and you feel like your mouth is kind of, you know, yucky. And then if you have braces or whatever, this is actually a good thing to keep. And not only because you can use this for school, if you're going to stay the night at a friend's house, you can just grab this bag as well and take it with you. The next item from the Dollar Tree was this lotion, and it is just Palmer's coconut oil formula. Of course, it's self-explanatory. If you're ashy, you run out the house and forget your lotion, then that is in there. Always need some hair ties. I love this little set that you can get, and it comes with the bobby pins and the hair ties and even a headband like type of thing. But this is definitely good, and you get 18 pieces in there for $1, so I like to have that in there for her. Look, I put some she likes these. I put some beef jerky in there because there's times where maybe she didn't eat breakfast in the morning and she runs out the house, but she needs some protein, like especially after PE, because her PE was the second period. So if she just feels like she's getting a little weak and she needs something to eat to tie her over before lunch hits, then she can snack on these if she like. And those are just some beef jerky, yeah, like Slim Jims. Or you could actually put a granola bar in here as well. The next thing is some hand sanitizer. You always need hand sanitizer, and like I said, this is also from the Dollar Tree. I put a pack of gum in here for her just in case she wants to chew on some gum in between having lunch or after lunch if she don't have time to go brush her teeth. Here is some dental floss in case she has something stuck in her teeth. You get this little pack like this with these little like plaque stick things that you can use, but it is floss. Those also from Dollar Tree. Always want to have some deodorant in your emergency kit for those days that you just need that extra help. Also, I put in here some Puro hand sanitizing wipes. So sometimes you just need to wipe your hands, and the hand sanitizer is not going to cut it. You actually want to wipe something off your hands. These are good to keep, and these are antibacterial as well. Always want to carry your pads, your emergency pads, and your emergency panty liners. So I put 2 of each in there for her. And then the last 2 items would be a nail file. My daughter does have, like, you know, kind of like long nails, and it drives her crazy if she gets a split on the side. So if she wants to take her file out and go ahead and fix her nail so she doesn't have to, you know, break it completely. She wants this in there, so that's why that's in there. And then she has a lip balm, and this is also from the Dollar Tree, and it's a Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. So I put that in there as well. So as you can see, everything fits in there perfectly. I'll take this off. I just left that on there for me to show you guys. And that is it. This can also be used for any adult. It's good to have an emergency kit. You can add Band-Aids in there for, you know, in case you have a problem and you need a Band-Aid. There's a few other things you can add in there. If I left anything out, like I said, make sure to watch my other video at the end of this one. And yeah, so this is, like I said, mainly all Dollar Tree products, and I just wanted to make a kit to show you that this can also be affordable as well. So I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this will help someone with their school year. And I'll talk to you all in my next video. Okay, bye.